In this exercise, we will learn the slice tool. The slice tool is basically used to cut images into different sections, and we can export images for app and web use. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. If I move the arrow on the tools bar and right-click on it, we can see the slice tool underneath the perspective tool. Let's select the image and try to divide it. If I click and drag the slice tool, something like that, you can see we have two parts of the selection. And if you want to divide this section into more than one section, then click and drag the slice tool, something like that. Okay, now we have 3 sections, and we can create as many sections as we want. Okay, now try to export these divided sections. We will also notice that we don't have its control option above other than style, but I want to show you how we can work with more control options. Okay, if you right-click on an image or any part of the section, we have some options. And we can see that we have the divide slice option. Just check on it, click on it. And we can see that we have divided horizontally into options and divide vertically into options. If you check mark these options and increase the numbers for horizontally, let's say 6, and then 6 for vertically, we can see the image is divided this section into more sections perfectly. This is a great option. Okay, let's cancel this. We can export all these sections, but now let's try to export these sections now. You can do it on your end. Okay, let's export and save 3 sections. Go to the file and export and save for web legacy. Okay, now let's zoom out to preview the image. Here we have the slice tool. If we select all images by clicking on it, we can save all the images. Or if we want to save only 1 or 2, then we can press the Shift key and click them to deselect any image. Okay, let's save them as PNG, and we can save it anywhere. Okay, now we have saved the images, and let's see what we can see here. We have all divided images here. Fine. Next, we have the slice selection tool, but we've already done this because the same options you can find in this tool and the slice selection tool, it's not very useful. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the eyedropper tool.